Welcome to my intro. Subscribe. Hi guys, it's Debbie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be making a moisturizing hair butter. Our first ingredient for which is our shea butter. Our second ingredient is our carrot oil. Thirdly, we will have our peppermint oil. We need coconut oil, and last but definitely not least is our aloe vera. First, we will be starting by melting our butters and oils. Our first butter is our shea butter. This butter is very good for damaged hair. It is rich in vitamin F, A, and E. It will nourish your hair and help to reduce breakage. So I use about 2 to 2.5 scoops of this butter, mainly because it's a little bit expensive and yeah, it's just a little expensive where I'm at. So I will not be using a lot of it. With that said and done, we'll be moving on to our coconut oil. This oil will moisturize your hair, prevent heat damage. It will promote faster and thicker hair growth. And we are not measuring today for some reason. We're just eyeballing it. And you can say I used about an ounce of coconut oil. Our next oil is our carrot oil. We'll be using about 3 tablespoons of this oil today. It is rich in vitamin A and it will condition your hair and help to prevent hair loss. Our next oil is our peppermint oil, which will improve blood circulation. It will prevent hair loss. It will increase the number of follicles. And as you can tell by now, it does promote a whole lot of growth. I went back and I adjusted 2 scoops more of my shea butter and I proceeded to melting my oils. This is the color and consistency that our oils have when they are all melted. I will be adding this to my freezer for about 30 minutes and I'll be back. Without further ado, we'll be moving on to our aloe vera. I'll be using only half of this aloe vera today and we'll be extracting the gel as usual. This or aloe vera will help to treat your hair loss. It is rich in vitamin C, E, A, and B12. Now take a minute and admire the sliminess of the aloe vera. So we will be using a spoon to scoop the gel from this or aloe vera. Continuing, aloe vera is also a great conditioner and it will promote growth and it will also moisturize your hair. I chose not to use a blender today, so I used my hands to squeeze the juice from this or aloe vera until my hands just couldn't do anymore. After which I grabbed a fork and me beat the life out of the aloe vera, guys. So after that we strained this or aloe vera to separate the juice from the gel. The juice is what we will be using today and I only used about an ounce or 1.5 ounces of this our juice. I mixed this with our oils and I put it in the freezer. At this stage, you use a hand mixer or a whisk to change the consistency. I didn't have none of that, so I used a fork. I use this butter every other day or every 3 days as my regular moisturizer. Since my hair is in cornrows, I will be putting it in the sections of my hair and using my hands and fingers to spread it all over my hair. Be sure to leave a like and a comment down below, and if you have not yet subscribed, feel free to do so now. I try to be very thorough when moisturizing my hair because I live in the tropics, and if you are a Jamaican or you're from the Caribbean, you know that the heat here is real. So it can tend to try at least to dry out my hair. So I moisturize very often and very thoroughly. Also guys, remember to pay keen attention to your edges because they are very thin and fragile, so they need a whole lot of attention. Understanding your hair is very important, guys. To know the parts of your hair that needs the most moisture, the parts that tend to dry up quicker, and the parts that takes a lot longer to grow is very important. So learn your hair. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Remember to like this video, subscribe, and share this video. And remember, it's health over length, so don't stress it.
I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it.